Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martie and today we're getting creative. If you don't know much about me, I'm very artsy. I love to create things. I love to DIY and just kind of recycle things. And today we are making centerpieces for our bridal shower. The theme was boho, and I say yes, I am willing to take on the challenge. I work at an amazing event space in my town or in my city called Reology. Re just stands for repurposing. We repurpose a lot of the things in our space, and so today we are creating some centerpiece for our amazing venue here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So if you're ever in the area, be sure to look up or check out Reology Studio in the city of Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So today, the theme, like I said, was boho, and she just wanted something plain and simple. They did add some other pieces to their table, but this was the main centerpiece, and they had some memorabilia that they added to the um the table runner, which is pretty cool. So here is what it's looking like. These are, you know, things that we have in the space that we use for other events, and so I'm just creating the kind of color scheme that she wanted. Their color was green. She purposely told me no pinks, no purples, no reds, so they were playing with the green theme. So I had to create 5 of these centerpieces. I did 2 of the dark green, 2 of the lighter shade green, and 1 white, which was in a center, was on the center table. And it's pretty cool how it turned out. They really liked it, and I did a great job, I must say. I think I'm completely done. They look so good and I am satisfied. I brought these rice branch out because I thought maybe I'll need them for, you know, the centerpiece, but I didn't. These are just leftover rice branch for my wedding that I have managed to kind of put in the space, and it works really well. People ask about them all the time, but they're actual rice branches that we used at my wedding. So this is what it looked like. Finally, I did some like sample shots. This is not what they did for their setup, but this was just something I recorded before. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any quick ideas of some cool centerpieces, please share them with me, as I'm always looking for ideas. At the end, they did use our burlap runners and it came together so nicely. Thanks for watching. Bye.